Hey guys, it's April Jensen here. I am just working on another cute little leprechaun. These were just so fun to do, and I had another head almost ready to go, so I just made him into another one. They're really pretty easy to do. You can do them in a few days, but it might be funner to take a whole week and just kind of work on it a little bit each day, whatever your work style is. But I just wanted to show you something simple. I'm sure most of you who sew know about this, but if you don't, and especially if you want to learn how to make outfits that don't require sewing, this is something that's very helpful. It's called frayed check, and it's almost like a really thin glue, really, but here's what I do with it. I'm just using the pattern piece that I had for this vest, and actually when you make these patterns, if you use cardstock, it makes a really nice sturdy pattern for when you cut it. So anyway, what I'm doing just to get a really thin layer is I'm putting some kind of on my pattern first, and then just letting the edge just kind of seep into that just a little bit, and I just kind of drag it along when I get down here too. That way I can get as little as possible on there, but enough to still do the job. I think I'll add a little bit more to do this curved part up here. I kind of put it close to where I want it, and then let it just kind of seep in there. Okay, and so I'm just going to do those edges and then this other one back here, because the rest are going to be covered by his suit and glued in otherwise, so it's not going to matter there. Then just let it dry completely, and it'll be just like this other one, which has the frayed check on it in place, already dried, and it helps to hold all those fibers in place, whereas over here this doesn't have the frayed check, and you can see how if there's any movement it makes them start to come out. Now, since this is a doll that's not really going to be moving, it's not too crucial, but it's definitely, you're going to have better results and not have any chance at this kind of fraying if you use it like this. This material, for the size of the doll, like if we were to make folds and everything with it, it just really thickens up the material. So I'm preferring to just leave it as one layer and then use the frayed check. Anyway, just a nice tip for you there. Hope that you'll check out the newest sculpt box for the Leprechaun. This one I haven't named yet. The first one was named Lucky. I'm not sure what this guy's name is yet, but I sure like making these cute little goatees on him, and they're nice little fluffy red hair. Anyway, I hope you're having fun with your sculpting, and take care.